Hi everyone, this is Uday here. I welcome you all to this course, and in our today's lesson we will be dealing with Silk Samarga. So basically this is an initiative, okay? So this has been initiated by whom? So it has been initiated by the Central Silk Board. So it has been initiated by Central Silk Board. So Central Silk Board falls under which ministry? Okay, which ministry? So actually I am leaving this question to you because I just want the session to be interactive. Okay, so just find Central Silk Board falls under which ministry. Okay, thereby you can find under which ministry this initiative actually comes under. Okay, let's now concentrate on Silk Samaga. So Silk Samaga is basically a scheme. It is mostly aimed at empowering the poor and backward, and specifically tribal families. So they are concentrating on poor and backward tribal families. So you should be knowing this silk sericulture. Okay, basically it is being done by the poor people who are backward, and mostly they are tribal people, and among tribal people mostly it is the women are the important stakeholders in this sericulture. Basically if you see the sericulture industry altogether, there will be a lot of backward people, and among the backward people there will be tribals, and among tribals it will be the women who will be having a huge stake in this particular sericulture industry. Okay, overall. And this Silk Samarga is to empower these people. Okay, so it is for their empowerment. Okay, and how this is going to be implemented. Okay, so I'll tell you that now. So this is going to be this scheme that Silk Samaga is going to be comprising of 4 components. So they are R&D, research and development. So every scheme will be having a research and development, and it can also include the training. So the second is seed organization. So what is a seed organization? So seed basically relates to plants. So we know using seeds we can grow plants, we can grow a lot of crops. But what is it? What the seed is doing in case of silk? So seed here means the silkworm seeds. So what is that silkworm seeds? It is the silkworm eggs. So by seed they are actually meaning here the silkworm eggs. Okay, so silkworm egg organization is a very important factor, and they are also taking care in this Silk Samarga initiative. Okay, so the third important point is market development. So it is not only the development of silks, they need to have a market and it has to be developed. Okay, so that is what they are concentrating here. And the fourth point is quality certification. So quality should be maintained and that should be certified. So that is what is they are concentrating in these 4 components. Okay, so these are the important components of Silk Samaga initiative, which has been initiated by the Central Silk Board, and it is falling under which ministry? I am waiting for your answer. Please put it in the comment section. Okay, so here I just want to tell you some other important factor which is related to silk in India. Okay, so India is the second largest producer. So I am just adding few facts here. So India is the second largest producer in the world. So who is the first? It is China. Okay, even though India stands at the second position, China holds the majority of the share. For example, out of 100%, so China makes at least 85% and India makes at least 13 to 14%. So this comes around almost 99 or 98%, and the rest 2% are produced by rest of the countries around the globe. So I will tell you few countries which are actually involved in the sericulture, that is the production of silk. So they are Uzbekistan, other than China and India, it is Uzbekistan, Thailand, Brazil, Vietnam, North Korea, and Turkey. Okay, so these are the some of the major producers. Major in the sense they do not constitute much of it, but they are producing it. Okay, and India is the largest consumer. So we are not only the producer, we are the largest consumer. So largest, okay, largest consumer. And one another important point is we produce all 5 varieties of silk. All 5 varieties of silk India is producing. So what are the 5 varieties of silk? So they are mulberry, oak, tussar, tropical tussar, muga, and eri. Okay, so these are the 5 varieties: mulberry, oak tussar, tropical tussar, muga, and eri. So here if you see muga, so this is actually produced only in India and we are the monopoly. Okay, muga, India is the monopoly. So that's all from this lesson, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope the lesson was useful. If it is so, please share it, like it, subscribe. Thanks.